Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look right here using the Juvia's Place Saharan+ palette. I've had this palette for maybe like a month and a half now, and I'm just now using it because at first I was like, I don't want to do like a basic look out of this, but then I decided to do a basic look, basic look to me because I've been doing so many different colorful looks, so I decided to do something that's more like everyday wearable type of look. Even though the inner corner you can switch it up and put like a gold or something in there, I just wanted to use the mint color because I don't know, I just wanted to use it. I was going to use this shade right here, but I was like, let me step out the box and use something different. So that's why I went in with the mint blue color. I'm thinking about doing another look with this palette. I'm not sure yet, but I will be doing another look with this soon, probably. Just because I already have it out and I'm just going to use it again in another video. And I am going to be doing another review on one of the Color Rain palettes, so I'll try to do that soon too, but I'm not going to keep talking and make this intro really long, so I'm just going to go ahead and get right into the tutorial. So today's look, I'm going to be going in with the Juvia's Place Saharan palette, and then these colors don't have any names on them. There's just like the Zulu palette by them. It doesn't have any names on it with the 9 shades, but the shades in here are really pretty. I could tell this quality of the eyeshadows are different than the Zulu palette, so hopefully the look turns out good. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is this orange right here. It's like a burnt orange, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. So the next shade I'm gonna go into is this middle shade. It's like a cranberry purple kind of color. So now I'm gonna be taking this dark brown shade out of the palette, and I'm just gonna be placing this on the outer part of the eye. So since the brown didn't make the eye deep enough like I wanted it to, I'm gonna go into the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna be taking the color Jezebel, which is like a really deep dark purple plum color, and I'm just gonna be placing that a little bit on top of the brown I just placed. And so now I'm just gonna be cutting out my crease. And then I'm gonna be taking this middle shade of the palette, this like shimmery cranberry color. I'm just gonna be packing this on to where I just cut my crease. And I'm just gonna take some more of that color Jezebel and like blend it into the color. I just placed on the lid. For primer today, I'm going in with my Smashbox Photo Filter Primer Water. So next primer I'm going in with is my NYX Angelville Primer. And then for foundation, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast. Then I'm going to take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and I'm going to be using this to highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the highlighted areas with my Too Faced Born This Way powder and then the Sacha Buttercup powder because I'm running out of the Sacha Buttercup powder. And right now on Amazon it's like $22 and I've never paid $22 for that powder and I'm not about to. So as soon as that price is decreased, I'll buy another one. But until then, I will be mixing the little bit that I do have with the powders I already have. And then as always, I'm just going to be taking my Sephora Micro Smooth Setting Powder and I'm just be using this to set the rest of the face and make sure not to disturb the highlight areas because they look so flawless. I don't know how they're showing up on camera, but it looks so flawless underneath. And usually I bring some of this powder underneath the eyes just to like minimize the pores that I have right here, but not today because it looks good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze with my CoverGirl bronzer. I'm thinking about getting the Anastasia one, but I don't know if it's dark enough for me. So for today, for highlight, I'm going something I haven't used in a long time, which is the Jaclyn Hill and Becca collaboration highlighters. I'm gonna take both of them, prosecco pop and champagne pop. Maybe this wasn't the right brush to go in with. And then for blush, I'm gonna go back in with one of my favorites right now, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit that they released for the holiday collection, which I think it's limited edition, but I think it's still out. I believe it's still out, and I hope they make it permanent because this is like awesome. I really like it. And I'm just gonna be taking this pink right here, and then I'm gonna apply this lightly to the cheeks and build it up as I go. So now I'm gonna be taking this Mario Badescu spray. This is the green one, the cucumber, green tea and aloe one. I don't really like the smell of this, but since this is the only powder I have around, I'm just gonna be using this and I'm just gonna spray, like lightly mist the brush, and then I'm gonna go back in with my highlighters and apply them. So now I'm gonna go back in with the Nubian 2 palette and I'm just gonna be taking the color Jezebel and the same little brush that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna be using this to smug out the lower lash line. So to make the lower lash line a little bit more smoky, I'm gonna go in with this dark blush out of the palette, and I'm just gonna be using this as close as I can to the lash line. Then I'm gonna go back into the Saharan 2 palette and I'm gonna be taking this mint blue color and I'm gonna be putting this into the inner corner. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video and this look, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like my channel, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.